Hello. Let's talk about a lawyer's favorite type of chart, the bar. Was it a good joke? I don't know, but I'm sticking with it. Okay, so we have two types of bar charts actually. We have a vertical bar and we have horizontal bar. Now, let me give you some advice from a pro. When we're doing vertical bars, those are best if you are trying to compare things over time because we have a natural tendency to think that time is linear going left to right. Very, very easy. I would not do something like countries if you wanted to say, hey, show me which countries are the best doing it this way. If you want to compare things that are not over time, I would highly suggest you use a horizontal bar. So look at this. If I flip this and if I change this to country instead of date, and there we go. And if I sort it this way, this is better for comparing non-linear types of objects. So names, places, people, things like that, I would suggest you do it horizontally. But if not, if you are doing something over time, I think vertical is great. Okay, let's talk about some bar chart stuff. All right, so let me show you some tricks with a bar chart. So the first thing that we can do is we can pick our time period. You can say, you know what, I want to see the current year, this year, but the problem is January. When you come into January for next year or another fiscal year that you have, it all kind of goes away. So to hedge against that, I actually like to do previous, last, and then I'll do like last 12 months. So we could do it that way. And you could also pick the month if you want this, or you want it by a week or a day or whatever you want it to be. Okay, I'll pick month for now. Okay, let me show you some other little tricks that we can do with a bar chart. Hey, do you see we might have an axis here? I'm a big fan of white space, and here's my philosophy. If I go to data label settings and I say show total label, make it bold. Let's go here. Let's put in also the value. Why not? I'm going to put a forward slash and I'm going to do another one. I'm going to say percent of category. That means of the entire column. There we go. We start to see some numbers show up. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to say I want the text color to be complementary and I want to use scale abbreviation. I don't want decimals on my percentage. I'm just shrinking it down a little bit. And you know what? It's a little too much. Let's put it on a second line. There we go. There we go. Now we can see the values, the total, and the percentage that make up that entire column. And another thing that we can do, hey, if we're putting numbers in, then I don't think we need the grid lines. The whole point of a grid line is to tell you, your eyes, where you should be looking and to help you figure out the number. But if we already say the number, I don't think we need it anymore. So I'm gonna do this, turn all this off under grid lines, boom, boom, pow. Okay, that's how to do bar charts. Hey, and you thought that was cool? I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo. And I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10-minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition to this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World. And it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial. And I hope it helps you.